Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use an external panel to control SY-418. This demonstration uses the Seekway 86 panel. First, connect the panel to the controller. The panel wiring is shown in the figure. Connect the other end to SY-418. We enter the settings. Click X Control Mode. Adjust to common 9600 baud rate. Then we can start using the 86 panel to control the lights. We choose different effects. We can also choose different loop modes. Turn off the lights with one button. Switch effects, speed, brightness one by one. Select the playback mode. Screen off time. The above is all about using an external panel to control SY-418. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.